In this guide, I'll show you how to insert a video into PowerPoint Mobile. So I'm going to open up an example PowerPoint and tap where you want to add the video. After that, you want to come down to the bottom right and press on this arrow that's pointing up. From here, you'll see home over on the left. Tap that. And you want to press insert. And if you look at the bottom below pictures, you'll see there's an option to insert a video. Press on that and select video again. That will load your gallery. Simply choose the video that you want to add, and then you'll see that inserts it into the PowerPoint, and you can crop it and add it wherever you'd like. So we'll leave it here. And then if we go back and press on the tick in the top left and press on the video, you'll see we can now play it. So that's how to insert a video in PowerPoint Mobile. Thank you for watching.